Alright guys, we're back with another DJI drone. This time, it's the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is the one we've all been waiting for. Can you believe how far these mini drones have come? It's insane! This thing is packed with features you wouldn't even find on bigger drones a few years ago. Let's dive in. First things first, the unboxing. The Mini 4 Pro comes in this super sleek box. You open it up and boom, there it is! The drone itself is crazy small and light, just like the previous Minis. DJI really knows how to pack a punch in a tiny package. You've got your controller, extra propellers, cables, and of course the battery. They've even included a handy carrying case this time. Okay, let's talk features. This little beast can shoot 4K video at 100 frames per second. That's insane for a drone this size. And the obstacle avoidance, it's on another level. They call it omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Basically this thing sees everything, no more crashing into trees, and then there's waypoints and Active Track 360. These features are usually reserved for the big boys, but DJI brought them to the Mini 4 Pro. Waypoints let you pre-program a flight path for the drone, which is amazing for capturing those epic cinematic shots. And Active Track, it locks onto a subject and follows it autonomously, even if it moves around. Think about it. You're on vacation, exploring a new city. You launch the Mini 4 Pro, set up a waypoint flight path, and let it capture stunning aerial footage of the city skyline. Or maybe you're mountain biking with friends. Use Active Track to follow yourself as you bomb down the trails, capturing every thrilling moment. This drone is a game changer for vloggers, adventurers, and anyone who wants to capture incredible footage without the hassle. So, how does it actually fly? In a word, flawlessly. The controls are super intuitive, even for beginners. The drone feels incredibly stable in the air, thanks to those advanced sensors and flight controllers. We took it for a spin in the park, and the footage we got was phenomenal. The 4K video is crisp and clear, and the colors look amazing. And the battery life? They weren't kidding when they said it was improved. We flew for a solid 25 minutes before needing to land. So the big question is, the DJI Mini 4 Pro worth it? Absolutely. It takes everything that was great about the previous Mini drones and cranks it up to 11. The improved camera, insane obstacle avoidance, and smart features like waypoints and Active Track make this the ultimate portable drone. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to use, captures incredible footage, and can keep up with all your adventures, the Mini 4 Pro is it.